The maintenance light on your 2016-2022 Volvo XC90 alerts you to scheduled services, specifically oil changes. It activates roughly every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Resetting it after an oil change is crucial to clear the warning and maintain accurate service intervals. Failure to do so can lead to persistent warnings and potential engine damage and void your warranty. The reset process acknowledges that the service has been performed and restarts the monitoring system. These Volvo models rely on the dashboard buttons and the infotainment system for resets. The reset procedure is straightforward and takes about 1 to 2 minutes. First, turn the ignition to position 2. This powers accessories without starting the engine. Press the OK button on the left side of the steering wheel repeatedly until the service menu appears on the instrument cluster. Use the thumb wheel or arrow controls on the steering wheel to navigate to service or maintenance in the menu. Select the oil change or reset service reminder option from the menu. Hold the OK button for 5 seconds until you see a confirmation message on the display. Finally, turn the ignition off completely, then back on to verify that the maintenance light has been reset. For 2019-2022 models with the Sensus infotainment system, you can also perform the reset using the touchscreen as an alternative method. If the reset is unsuccessful, cross-check using an OBD2 scanner. Note that 10 to 15% of resets fail due to software bugs in pre-2019 models, so verification ensures accuracy.